Hi everyone, it's me again. I am making something with flock. We just had a sale on flock and I've never used it before. So I'm doing this little bear with a t-shirt, which I've already pressed to get the moisture out. And I'm calling him Huggy Bear. And this flock, even though this type is small, this is really tiny, it weeded really well. All right, here we go. Let's do it. 300 for 10 to 15 seconds. I think it'll be cute. I have a little friend who just had a baby girl, so I think it'll be cute for her. And this is a cold peel. So we'll get this thing all cooled off. The other thing is I used my Cricut and I put it on the middle part of cardstock, light cardstock, and that just turned out to be great. Isn't that cute? And it's soft, but you can still feel the flock. I may add her name to it. I think I'll do that. Hold on, I'll be right back. All right, I'm going to add her name, it's Pervika, to the back because it's just too tiny to add to the front. I'm not that good. So I'm gonna add it to the back in glitter because what little girl doesn't like glitter? And here we go. We're gonna press this for 15 seconds, and then we're going to hot or cold peel that. Glitter, baby. Speaking of baby, she's really cute. She's 3 months old. So adorable. You know, I have 6 grandkids of my own, but I keep wanting to hang out with more kids. Mine are growing up. My youngest is 3. Cute, right? And soft. Man, this stuff is fun to use. Bye again. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit that little bell button so you'll be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks, everyone.